Hello everyone, Deb here. I got it! My paper pumpkin finally came. A little bit dented and dinged. I was kind of worried about it because the last notice I got was that it was, that the USPS was notified that it was on its way for induction, and that was on Saturday into the USPS. And then I kept checking and nothing. I'm like, oh great. And then it just shows up today, so yay! Anyway, it's here, and it's got spider webs and everything. So I know a couple people have gotten it, shown it already, and I've tried really hard not watching those videos. So anyway, here we go. And what I'm going to do today is just the unboxing, and then on Thursday I will come back and we'll do some project shares. And what I like to do is the way you're supposed to do it, according to the box instructions, and then we'll see what I can do to be creative and give you an alternate, okay? And if you haven't signed up for Paper Pumpkin, there's a link below the video, below my Stampin' Up link, that is the Paper Pumpkin link for me to get credit. It's $19.95 a month. You get a stamp spot, a little stamp ink pad. You get a stamp set, a little stamp set, and then whatever the kit is that month. And they're different every month, and we usually get hints, but we don't get exactly what it is. And this month we were dropping lots of hints that it was going to be spooktacular and something to do with treats. So let's see, without further ado. So when you get it, you have to cut a little slit down here on the bottom. Your address and everything's on the bottom. Ooh, okay, this is an advertisement for the fun new tool, which I actually got last month because 3 or more of you signed up as new customers for me for Paper Pumpkin. Thank you so much. And it's this pick it up tool. Forget what they call it. Take your pick tool. It's item 144107 in Stampin' Up. So it's got the putty on the ends with a refill, the scraper, the piercing tools inside there so I don't pierce myself and everybody else, and then 2 embossing tools. So that's cool. So there you go. It says it's perfect for Paper Pumpkin projects. That's actually true because they usually give you those little glue dot strips. And these things, not strips, little glue dots, and I cannot get them up easily without, well, my nails are a mess anyway, but without ruining your nail, they're hard to get up. So they would be good for the scrapey end. Okay, cool. So here's our Stampin' Spot. It's basic gray, permanent based dye ink, and I do not have that. Now this says archival. I don't know. Do the other ones say archival? No, the other ones say classic. These are the other ones I've gotten so far. I got Garden Green, which was from February because I got it in my starter kit. The classic one was, Soft Suede, was from July, the Picnic, and then the last one, Blackberry Bliss. These all say classic. This says archival. Now, I thought they just changed the basic gray ink, so this may be the old ink, which was archival. I'm not sure. I have to check on that, guys. They basic gray, I think, used to be in their, it used to be archival, I think. I don't know. Let me check on that for you. Ooh, this is so cute. I was looking for a boo word yesterday and I didn't have it, so I'm so happy I got a boo and a spooky and an eek and a moon and some little stars and a little bat and a 2 little bats and a jack-o'-lantern, and it says to from, which is upside down, a little spider. Oh, he's cute. He's a cute little spider. Frights and delights. It's Halloween. Treats for you. And I think that's it. So cool. I'm loving that. I hope you can see it. Sorry for the glare. And then this time we have black tissue. Let me put this over here. Let's see what we have. Ooh, Definitely treat bags. Alright, I'm going to move this off of here for now to somewhere. Frights and Delights, September 2018. And there's a how-to's, pumpkinhowto.com. Says visit our site to watch a quick video that will show you how to make this project. And I do know, I saw one pop up on YouTube today, and I didn't watch it because I didn't want to know what was in the kit. Okay, so let me cut this open. They always wrap the majority of the kit in, I can't get it, there we go, in the plastic. Ooh, I'm liking that twine. It's like the other month we got pink flamingo with silver. It looks like we got black with silver this time. Very cool. So let me, before I start tearing it apart, let me open this because this actually is your instructions. Okay, it's little treat bag tags. Alright, I don't want to do that yet. I want to do this. Your kit includes Frights and Delights photopolymer stamp set, which I showed you, basic gray archival Stampin' Spot, 24 cardstock cellophane bag inserts. I believe that must be these, and these must be the bags, and 24 printed gusseted cellophane bags. So these are the cardstock inserts. They're like heavy, or medium, like chipboard or heavy cardstock. And then look at these little bags. Oh, this has little spiders on it. Oh, let me stick a piece of that in there. I guess these go in the bottom. I don't know. We'll do them on Thursday. So there we have little spiders. And let's see how many. There's 6 of those maybe. Are these all spiders? Okay, it looks like 8. Looks like 8 of the spiders. If there's 24, then there's probably 3 designs. And probably 8 of the spider webs, I'm guessing. Can you see the spider webs? They're cool. I like the spider webs. And then there's these orange and white striped ones. Pumpkin pie and some other color. So cool. Alright, so that's those. There's our little treat bags and our little inserts. And then you get 6 sheets tag toppers, it's called. Okay, I guess that's these. These are the tag toppers. So we have 2 in purple. And looks like 2 in orange. And how many in solid orange? 2 in solid orange. So we have solid orange, orange and white, and purple and white, which is the gorgeous grape. I love that color. So that's those. Ooh, and then we have some punch outs. Alright, this must be 1 sheet die cut elements, and they're bats. And then we have 4 sheets laser cut elements. So the ghost with the eyes cut out. The jack-o'-lanterns with cutouts. That's 2. Okay, and then we have Eek and Spooky. Also, no, those are stickers. I'm confused. As usual. These are, I guess I don't know. Let me see something. Yeah, they're definitely, I guess they're die cut, but they're stickers also. Yeah, see, they peel off. And they're die cut because the words have little openings in them for the O's and the E's and the Y and things. Okay. So those are part of the 4 sheets laser cut, excuse me, elements. And then 2 sheets of silver foil laser cut elements. So we have pumpkins and dots, it looks like. And then we have boo. Lots of boo. I don't know why they didn't do the last one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, and they're upside down. I wonder, so that you can fold them. So that would be 7 of those, I'm guessing. I don't know. Yeah, because, no, but these don't have that. I don't know. Anyway, so there's 2 sheets of silver elements, and then we have 9 yards of baker's twine, which is the black with the shiny silver in it, and 150 adhesive dots, which are the ones I was telling you about to use the scraper, the pick it up tool, take your pick tool or whatever. That's 75. These are full size, I think, dimensionals. Yep. So that is the kit, guys. I'm excited to make these little treat bags, but I have another idea as well. So Thursday when I come back, I hope I'll have at least one of each of the treat bags made. And then I hope to have at least 1 or 2 alternates to show you. So I'm not going to be watching anybody else's paper pumpkin right now because I want these ideas to truly be my own. And I think they are. I don't know that anybody's done them because I'm not watching, like I said. So yeah, I hope you'll come back Thursday, and I don't know what time, and see what I've been able to come up with. All right, guys? So it's a fun kit to get, and like I said, you get a stamp set, you get an ink spot, and I don't have much gray. I don't have basic gray, which is a bit darker gray. And that says archival, so that's cool. And then all these elements, everything you need to make something in this kit. So rather than giving you and making it cost more, you know, some dies, they give you the punch out elements. So that's cool. And it's 20 bucks a month, $19.95. That includes your shipping. It just does not include your sales tax, whatever your sales tax is in your area. And that's in the United States, guys. So if you're overseas, I apologize, but I know it is available. I'm sorry, Stampin' Up is overseas in some countries, or international, I should say, because it's in Canada as well. But they don't always, I don't think they have paper pumpkin over there. So sorry about that. Anyway, with that, I'm going to let you go. Sign up if you haven't already, because who knows what the holiday seasons might bring. You know, October, November, and December, and January, winter time and stuff. I don't know. I don't know. This is all fairly new to me too. This is my 4th box, but one was in my starter kit. So yeah. All right. I'm having fun. Hugs, love, and peace. Till the next time.